Gang, get the fuck out of my way, bro. I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the...
I'm so hungry, I can eat a damn dog.
Goddamn, man, these motherfuckers gave me this goddamn dog for free. Come to find out I speak Spanish. Come here, Snack. Vente. Siéntate. Dame la mano. Move.
Okay. Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. You ready? All right. We get smiling. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.